So this is the WooCommerce products page. As you can see, it's very like the WordPress all posts page. So you can see I've got a few of my items here. And I'm now going to talk you through adding a new one. So I'm going to head over to add new up here. I'm going to name my new product. So just like you would have done a brand new post in the WordPress Classic editor, you do the same with your WooCommerce products. So Mo product. And I'm going to add some information about my product. So this is Mo product. And I'm just going to copy text in here. What's really good about this as well is that Yoast acts like it did in the classic WordPress editor, so you can add your focus key phrase. So this is going to be Mo product, and you can see that Yoast is doing the red, orange, green, happy face kind of thing. So it looks for the usual outbound links, internal links, image attributes and all that kind of jazz. Here on the right you can see the product categories section, which is very like the categories for blog posts or pages. As I scroll down here we can see all the different product information. And what's really cool is that you can add a sale price for it. So I'm going to set it to £10 for my sale price, and that sale is going to run from the 25th of March to the 31st of March, and it will automatically sort that out for me. Inventory doesn't really apply to virtual products, but you know, you've got your SKU if you want to be able to manage stock and set the stock status, and you can even check it to make sure that you can only sell one version. You can sell one of this item in a single order. So loads and loads of options here. So here I'm going to add my site speed package as my upsell, and I'm also going to cross-sell my host switching package. You can then add some attributes if you've got them set up. And there are also some advanced ones as well, so you can add a purchase note, menu order, and you can enable reviews or not, however you feel. Cart. four versions of my workshop. So, and there's also, you may be interested in there, you know, the usual kind of stuff. And like, I've not actually made any changes to this page. The cart page was one that came with WooCommerce, which is fabulous. You don't have to worry about setting anything up. It's all done for you. If I want to reduce the quantity of anything, I can update my cart. And the total's reduced. I can also get rid of that one if I want. It's gone. And so yeah, all there is to adding a new product to your WooCommerce shop.